Here we are in the secret greenhouse of survival, and those red berries right there are coffee cherries. So that's part of a coffee tree right here, and you can see those leaves are yellowing right there, and that's because it's not getting enough water. So we are kind of maxed out here with this pot. This is one of the biggest pots you can get that this coffee tree is in, and we've actually piled the dirt up so it actually exceeds, it's higher than the rim of the coffee pot. Now it's hard to water that because the water just runs off. So my wife created this little invention where she took a old plastic 2-liter bottle, cut it off, and then pushed that down inside the dirt, so that when you water the plant, the water gets down into the roots and doesn't just run off. So great little invention, and it works great too.